Okay, today we are gonna be putting all these slimes together, and we're gonna do these ones first, and then
we're gonna add beads and fix these ones.
now we are gonna start with Galactic Duck. It is one of the ones that I made and you like.
Mm-hmm.
Now we are gonna get it out and feel it. I haven't played with this one in a while. Ready?
I think.
Yep. Here.
Feels really good.
Mm-hmm. It's very poppy, and it smells like
I like cinnamon.
shaving cream. So like shaving cream to me. It is a very pretty blue. And then I don't think you can see, but it has a couple of these pretty blue things.
Yeah, little like shavings of sparkle.
Mm-hmm. I have them in my bedroom right now. Do you want to go see them? These are the little shavings that we have in it. You want to pour a couple on? Let's display it.
Want me to pour a little
Scoop
bit?
it? Yeah. Wait, let me first
This
put it
much?
in this. Yeah. Good. Now we're gonna put the two duckies in.
I'll put the stars. Looks like his eyes.
Now we are gonna smush it. Do you want this side?
Sure.
They always fall out. Like that one. Stars really hurt.
Yeah, they're pointy.
The ducks are so cute. They're so cute. And this one is really pretty blue.
It is.
It has pretty good pops too.
Yeah.
Okay. You ready for the next one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now we are gonna do this one. This is another good one. And we're gonna do this one. And now we are going to take it out and display it.
It feels really nice.
Can I try it? You got blue on it. The other slime. You got blue all over your finger still. It smells really good. I don't know what that smell is. It's like coconut. Yeah, like it's a weird
Can I
coconut.
smell it? Yeah, it does kind of smell like coconut.
Okay, now we should probably display it.
We should first put these in.
Yeah. No. Let's put this here.
Cherry on top.
Okay. Now we're gonna smush it. Maybe we should take the charms out this time because last time the duck fell out. Oh, it feels really good. You want some?
Sure.
It's so good smelling.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't have many pops like my other slimes.
Yeah.
I have a whole bin.
Yeah, the galactic ducks smell or pop way better.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Now we're gonna do this slime.
Yeah, this one is one that we are fixing up because it is
Sticky.
really sticky, and we're just gonna add beads to it and fix it up a little bit.
Mm-hmm. Now we're gonna use Elmer's Magic Liquid and pour some in it just to get rid of the stickiness because it is very sticky. We're not gonna add much. Now we're gonna mix it in and see if that helps it.
Yeah, that helped it a lot. Now we are going to add some of these beads. They have smiles and sprinkles.
And then now we are going to assemble it. And also it feels a lot better now that we added the activator. It is less sticky. Now we are going to take our scooper and scoop some of these. There's a bunch of different faces. They have like blue,
A
purple.
little bit more.
Maybe I'll take just a couple. Maybe a couple more.
Is that good?
That's so long.
Good.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
All the faces look kind of different.
Mhm.
These two look really angry.
Okay.
And then we got this. We just found it and we thought it would look really cute in this. So now we're gonna put this in here. And this is what it looks like when it's fully finished.
Now we're gonna mix it up.
We should probably take the skateboard out.
Yeah.
Skateboard gets in the way.
We can.
It's a really cute skateboard. It's really tiny and cute.
Mhm. It's way better after we added the activator, and the beads make it look really cute.
There's a lot of cute beads, and it's a very pretty color. If only it was a little lighter. It's really cute though.
Mhm.
The charms give it a little more brightness.
Okay, we can move on to our next one.
Now we are going to do this slime that has these pretty crystal charms, and it is a white base with a couple of other charms with these flaky ones too, but we also have purple ones in it, and then there's a couple of pink ones of these too.
Okay, I'm gonna open it up and see if it's sticky or not. Okay, it's just a little bit sticky, so we can add some of our magic liquid Elmer's glue to make it better.
Elmer's. I think that's fun. And now we'll see if it's good or not.
Is it good?
Yeah, that's pretty good. Now we're good.
Now we're going to assemble it and add beads.
It is a little bit sticky, but I think it's okay.
Can I add some beads?
Yep.
Is that good?
Yeah. They're not very seeable, but it's really pretty. And
They
then
feel good.
we forgot to show you this rock that we're putting in it, and it's going to be our little charm in it. It's really pretty.
Now we're gonna mix it up and see how it feels. Want to place them?
Yeah. Do you want to take the rock out of your side?
Yeah.
It takes a little while when you get it out. It's really good feeling because the beads aren't that bad when they fall out, but a couple fall out. But it's not that bad. The pink ones are really pretty. And that's what the slime is like. And it's really pretty because we have some of these in it too.
I can, even though I can't really see the clear beads, I can really feel them. Like, they feel really good.
Yeah. You can see the pink ones. They're pretty bright.
Yeah.
As you can see. But let's move on to the next slime.
Yep.
Now we're going to open this one up. It is our next one. And we are going to see if this one needs activator. It does. It is a little bit sticky, so let's add some activator. Yeah, it's a little bit sticky. It has good clicky clackies. I like those. You don't have to pull the whole thing off. That's a good amount. Now let's put this off. It sounds really good.
Should we add these beads?
Not yet. Let's mix this in and then we can assemble it. That feels really good now.
Can I feel it? Oh, it's very poppy.
It sounds really good.
We're gonna put these circle beads in it and
Assemble it in a swirl. This is it in a swirl. It holds not that well in a swirl. You can just put it in your hand. Have a good for it, and then you can put a couple on top.
that's really good.
But it doesn't stay in its swirl very well.
Yeah.
There's that one. Now we are going to smush it in a second. Now we are going to smash it and squish it. Like so. Feels really good. You can feel the beads really well.
Yeah.
Wait, I want to try to see if this one has a good bubble. Pretty good.
Yeah, I kind of got a little one. Okay.
Okay, maybe we should move on to the next slime.
Yeah.
This is the last slime that we are going to be fixing. It has two peach charms and some of these beads. And this is what it looks like. It is very pretty.
It's also really sticky, so we are going to add some of our activator. Now we are going to take it out and add some activator.
Okay. The last time I touched this slime is because I made it, is that all the glue like goes to the bottom and it just gets really sticky at the bottom, as you can see. Add some activator.
Just
Sure,
drops.
it's gonna stick. Yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah. We got some on the lid. It's a very sticky slime.
Do you want some more or no?
No. See if it has some good. Not as good as that one.
Yeah, that one was really nice.
It was just like,
Yeah, you could just hear.
it's really good.
Okay. We're gonna add our beads in it, and then after we will add our cute peach charms.
Now we are going to swirl it. So then we have it in a cute assembly. I'll put the beads on.
The beads are really shimmery, and I think they would look really good in this light blue slime.
Also, they are very messy. Now we are going to put these in. They are identical. They are so cute. Go on here.
Right here.
Right here. Okay. Now we're going to get ready to smush it. Now we are going to smush it.
And see how it turns out.
Let's part it.
I might take the peach out.
Yeah. That was loud.
Yeah. Okay, these beads feel really nice in it, and they look really good too. Like, if I stretch it out, you can see it looks really pretty.
Mm-hmm.
It's still a tiny bit sticky, but it's way better than it was.
Mm-hmm.
It's good when they're a little bit sticky, because if they're just like flubbery, it's really weird.
Yeah. Okay, let's put it away. Bye. See you in the next video.